Welcome to Lele Guruji Yoga Varga. Today we are going to learn how to perform Tadasana in a proper way. Tadasana is a standing posture. While you are supposed to keep your legs about a foot away, then raise the heels, both heels, and raising both arms, one is supposed to stand straight. So this is what the Tadasana is. So try to stretch your arms as upward, let your armpit touch the ears. So this is Tadasana. You are stretching the leg muscles and the backbone and arm muscles, neck muscles, almost all the muscles, they are getting stretched. So this is Tadasana. Now we shall see how to perform this posture in a comfortable way. So when you raise your arms, you cannot apply the full strength of your legs. And for it, what is a way out? We shall see. But before that, we shall see what are the complementary exercises before commencing the posture. Complementary exercises, they help us a lot to open particular joints used in that particular posture. So first of all, we shall raise our heels one by one. Heels one by one. So you can do it according to your comfort. So the speed of your legs as well as the intensity of raising heels. Okay, now you raise your both heels. While you can bend the knees and now raise your toes. So keep doing this. Once you have to raise the heels and once the toes. Now next thing is raising the inner edge of the foot, both feet. So just keep standing for a while. You can turn your toes inward. So the feet should become like a shell. You are stretching the upper muscles of the feet and shrinking down the inner muscles. Now here you can just have a spot walk over the outer edge of your legs. Okay, now next exercise, you can go close to the wall. Just be close to the wall. You can take a support of wall. It will be better, especially for the elderly people. So keep close to the wall or chair or something, and then you just raise your both heels as upward as possible. Raise your both heels. And now lower it down. Again raise the both heels. Lower it down. Again raise it. So do it for about say 10 times. Okay. Now we are strengthening these muscles. Now we are going to lose the all joints in the feet. There are about 30 bones in the feet. So almost 60 joints. So now to open those, we are going to rotate our toes one by one. So first clockwise 7 times and then anti-clockwise 7 times. So you try to make the larger round. The circle should be larger. 7 times clockwise, 7 times anti-clockwise, or vice versa. Okay, now you keep facing to the wall. You keep your both palms over the wall. So have a support of wall, or you can have a support of any grill or any chair or whatever, but keep standing very straight, and then raise your both heels. Raise your both heels. Okay, hold this. You try to raise your heels to maximum. Be on your toes. So nowadays the all activities, they go so faster, so everybody has to be on toes, and for it you need lot much of strength of mind, strength of brain, and the strength of physical body, and especially the leg strength. For elderly people it is very essential to maintain the leg strength. So Tadasana is important posture which helps us to increase the leg strength and the strength of lower back, and even the upper back if you perform it properly. So for about a half minute or 40 seconds you can do this with support. Now relax. So whatever the movements you like, you can do. You can keep walking little to relax the muscles. Whatever the movement you like, you can do. Just relax the calf muscles, especially when we do the Tadasana. First of all, the calf muscles, they get shrink because we apply the whole strength from the calf. Okay, now again we shall perform the same thing for certain duration. Just raise your heels, both heels. Now you try to shrink the knee muscles. So hold your knee muscles very tight, muscles around the knees. Okay, now you concentrate in your tailbone and just try to push your tailbone as upward as possible. So the whole vertebral column we have to push upward. And now slowly, day by day, maybe second day, third day, you have to reduce down the help of wall. So now see, this person is resting over the wall. So you should not rest over the wall. So for it, to reduce the resting, you just pull your trunk little backward. Raise your heels. Maintain the posture. So now you just be on the fingertips. And now the whole pressure is put on the arms, not the legs. So whole pressure should be over the legs, not over the palms and wall. Now try to raise your arm one by one. Once you raise your right arm, then left arm. Raise it. 9. One by one. Okay. So raise your left arm, hold it for a while, or even if you can, keep changing the arms. Once you raise the right, then left, then right. But the heels are raised to maximum and the whole weight is to be carried over the toes. Okay. So this is a almost out practice for the Tadasana. Now we shall see again how to do this posture in a proper way, especially to make it more effective for strengthening the back muscles and the leg muscles. So as you do it in a traditional way. This is a traditional way of performing Tadasana. So when you raise your arms, the teacher asks you to push the arms upward. When you push your arms upward, you cannot strengthen the legs. You cannot apply the whole strength of legs. So you just relax for a while, lower down your heels. Now fold your both arms over the head. Fold the arms. You hold your elbows properly. Try to push your both elbows as upward as possible. So now you are stretching the whole trunk properly, and then you raise your heels slowly. Raise your heels one by one, not one by one, both. And just concentrate over your backbone. So now you concentrate in the tailbone region, very lowest end of your backbone. You are pushing it upward. Then the middle part of your back, lumbar vertebrae, then whole rib cage, and shoulders. Now concentrate in your neck muscles. You are pushing all the neck muscles and head upward. So see, when you fold your arms, you can apply the whole strength of the legs. And now relax. You can lower down your arms, close your eyes, have a good deep breath for relaxing the legs, especially the knee and ankle joints. You can do whatever the movement you like. You can rotate your toes or keep walking, keep moving the knees. Tadasana helps us to reduce or overcome the heel pain, knee pain, and many times the lower back pain too. And it helps us to maintain the leg strength. You can keep standing for long, you can walk for long time, long duration, especially for the trekkers, runners, cyclists, swimmers. It is most essential to strengthen the legs, and Tadasana helps you a lot. Now we shall perform this posture again. So initially we shall keep the arms in a folded way. You first concentrate. You can keep looking at one point. For many people it becomes difficult to balance over the toes. So to improve the balance, you concentrate at one point. Fix your gaze at one point. And slowly, while inhaling, raise your heels to maximum. Okay. Now try to push your heels upward, then calf, then back of your thighs, hip joints, lower back, lumbar region, then chest muscles, then neck muscles and head. Now the armpit, the triceps. So the whole body you have to push against the gravity. And now slowly raise your both arms upward, and your armpit should be touching the ears. So pull them inward. See how the upper abdomen, it is getting stretched. Hold it for a while. First of all, you lower down your heels slowly, lower down your arms. Okay, now close your eyes. Have a good deep breath. There are so many other fashions of performing Tadasana. Many people do it while the toes are together. You just see the different fashions of Tadasana. So many people, they call this posture only the Tadasana. Some other people, they just raise the arms but don't raise the heels. So this is also called as a Tadasana. Then the normal fashion as we did, and many people do, they insist upon keeping the toes together, toes together, join your toes, join your toes, join them, join your knees. And many people, they insist upon the leg position. So traditionally, or there is no any official, or you cannot say ki this is a right thing, this is a wrong thing. Make yourself comfortable, make yourself it effective to strengthen the leg muscles and extend the vertebral column, extend the back muscles. So that is what the important thing. In whatever fashion you can perform. Again, lastly, we shall see the most effective way to perform Tadasana. Keep your legs about a foot away. Fold your both arms overhead. Hold your elbows and raise yourself. Raise the heels. Raise your heels and just keep pushing your both elbows upward. Just Tadasana.